Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some, not really updates, not the right word. Confirmation would probably be more accurate. The main point of confirmation revolving around this green line there at 15 cents, because things started off not so good. On the morning, the price, on Friday closed right there. However, this morning opened up down there. Or in trading jargon, a gap down. And gap downs, assuming you're long, are not a good sign. But this is also where you got to give credit where credit's due, because there was that gap down, but the price essentially and the bulls spent all day just grinding and pushing the price back upwards. So from that point of view, a very, very impressive showing. I mean, things started off, and I guess when I think about it, today's Monday, so the price not only started off the day rough, but started off the week rough. But the price, like I said, you got to acknowledge the fact that the bulls really, demonstrated some power here and was able to fight backwards from that gap up. From the bigger picture point of view, good to also see that the price is still nicely up above that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average. And that, as I have talked about in past videos, is definitely more so kind of the general level that you want to see the price hold above, because as long as the price is above that area, that implies that the overall trend is still bullish and in the bulls' favor. So keep an eye on that. But either way, I get it. Price is still up above the green line. Price is still up above the purple line. So, it's kind of I don't want to say it doesn't matter, because it does, but as long as the price is above both those areas, well, then that's a good problem to have in terms of, well, what area of support? Who cares? The price is above both of those, and that's what you want to see. In terms of levels of resistance, nothing has changed at all here. 17.5 cents is still going to be that key level from the resistance standpoint. But the main dynamic that occurred, today is definitely all about the supports and the fact that, the price stayed above the purple line, and then it was able to get back up above 15 cents and stay above it, which was a good way to start things off. So very nasty gap down, but a very impressive bounce back upward. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not. The week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.